With this new product tutorial method, we can move in on our product, rotate it clockwise using the arrow keys. You can change your eyesight by moving the mouse. And yes, you can rotate the product all the way around and take a view of it from the back. All the while, the tutorial is playing and arrows are pointing to different features. So we have a tabletop CNC unit here, or a computer numerical control unit. In a typical YouTube video, you would see this and then some kind of pointer. So somebody would come into here and say, okay, that's your power on off, that's your spindle on off, there's your emergency stop. This whole thing is the spindle, the collet, and the motor. That's a pretty passive way of doing it. Basically, you just sit back and watch while the person points and the machine runs. We just have to create a 3D model. With the 3D model and software, we can step through our tutorial, can move in on our model by using the up and down arrow keys. That's going to let us move in closer. We can change our gaze and eyesight by moving around with the mouse or a VR headset that we have. We can move it counterclockwise or clockwise. And again, if this was a VR headset, it would follow our eyes the way we're moving it, our head. And we're going to keep on rotating the model. And notice the arrows that we're pointing rotate with the model. And we can turn it all the way around to the back and look at the back. While we're viewing this model, the voiceover is going to be talking in the background, explaining to us exactly how this product works and its features, and the arrows will continue to keep pointing with each step.